Hi guys, it's me. So today I am playing in my altered art journal. I just put down some purple paint from a leftover page. So I'm just going to play with that. I'm going to start out with some stenciling, and then I created this little face that you'll see ahead of time, and I'm going to add a quote. So it's a very simple and easy page and a fun technique. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm going to add some lettering too. So really simple. Process. I just wanted to play in my journal, and I wanted to play with purple and gold. So that's what I did. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I'll have some interesting things coming at you guys next week. So hang in for that. Sorry, I have not made any videos. I have been so busy, but I'm so happy to be here with you today. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.